PayTrie Wallet app. The pros, the cons. PayTrie Wallet app is making waves as a crypto solution built for Canadians, but its design and compliance model are catching global attention too. So what makes it special, and what are its downsides? Let's explore the pros and cons. First, the pros. PayTrie is one of Canada's fully regulated crypto platforms, registered with FinTrack. That means it follows strict compliance rules, giving users extra peace of mind when buying, storing, or transferring crypto. The wallet's biggest strength lies in simplicity. It's incredibly beginner-friendly, ideal for users who want to manage assets without diving deep into technical setups. You can instantly deposit funds through in-Turkey transfer, a feature Canadians love for its convenience. PayTrie also integrates with popular blockchains like Ethereum and Binance Smart Chain, letting users hold a variety of tokens safely. Its app features fast transaction processing and transparent fee structures, no hidden charges or complicated gas adjustments. Security is another major plus. It's non-custodial, so you hold your private keys, and the platform emphasizes encrypted backups and multi-factor authentication. However, there are some cons. PayTrie's ecosystem is still region-focused, meaning its features are optimized mainly for Canadian users. If you're outside Canada, you may find fewer payment integrations or fiat options. Another downside is limited advanced features. Unlike MetaMask or Trust Wallet, PayTrie doesn't yet support in-app DeFi or NFT management, making it more of a straightforward wallet than an all-in-one crypto hub. In conclusion, the PayTrie Wallet app is an excellent choice for users who value security, simplicity, and regulatory trust, especially in Canada's crypto landscape. It's designed to make crypto accessible to everyone, without complexity or risk. But if you're a global user looking for advanced DeFi functions, you might want to pair it with a secondary wallet. Still, PayTrie is proof that crypto can be both secure and simple, and that's a balance worth appreciating.